Robo-advisors are akin to your financial indoor plants. They thrive with minimal care, but occasionally you need to check their soil, provide some sunlight, and ensure they're flourishing. Hello, I'm Rashan Gidwani, and welcome back to Finance Zen. On this episode, we will explore what comes after investing with robo-advisors and some practical investing tips. While robo-advisors are known for their passive and automated investment approach, they're by no means a completely hands-off solution. What's next after investing? Regular monitoring. Keep an eye on your robo-advisor account regularly, or you might miss warning signs of underperformance or unforeseen risks, potentially leading to missed opportunities for course correction. Consistent contributions. Regularly adding funds to your investment account, known as dollar cost averaging, can help you capitalize on market ups and downs. Stay informed. Stay informed about market conditions and economic news. While robo-advisors handle the day-to-day management of your investments, it's good to understand what's happening in the financial world. Adapting financial goals. It's crucial to update your robo-advisor whenever your personal or financial circumstances change, whether it's due to significant life changes and milestones like marriage, parenthood, career shifts, or retirement. You may need to adjust your strategy and reassess your risk tolerance accordingly. Rebalancing. Your robo-advisor will handle portfolio rebalancing, but it's essential to understand why it's happening. If you have specific preferences or concerns about rebalancing, communicate them with your robo-advisor. Tax planning. Be aware of the tax implications of your investments. Some robo-advisors offer tax-efficient strategies like tax loss harvesting to minimize your tax liability. Professional advice if needed. If you encounter complex financial situations or need personalized advice, consider consulting a human financial advisor. They can provide guidance beyond what a robo-advisor offers. Lastly, here are some tips to help you navigate the world of investing with robo-advisors. Set clear financial goals. Begin by defining your financial goals. Whether it's saving for a dream vacation, buying your first home, or building a retirement fund, having clear objectives will guide your investment strategy. Start small. You don't need a large sum to begin investing with robo-advisors. Many of these platforms have low or no minimum investment requirements. Start with an amount you're comfortable with. Embrace long-term thinking. Understand that investing is typically a long-term endeavor. Avoid reacting emotionally to short-term market fluctuations. Consistency and patience can lead to significant growth over time. Remember, investing is an ongoing journey, and success often comes from discipline, patience, and a focus on your long-term financial objectives. Periodic reassessment and informed adjustments can help you stay on course to achieve your financial goals. Till then, stay Zen. Ciao.